Today we will do question number 1 of exercise 6a. The question states that express the given fraction in the simplest form. I'm going to do B part over here. B part is 3 over 2b plus 1 over 3b minus 5 over 6b. Now we will find its LCM. If we take the LCM of, let's do part C of question number 1. Again we find the LCM. Since 3 is common in both of the fractions, so 3 will come here. C and D, they both are different. So जब हमारे पास दो different terms हों तो वो दोनों LCM में आ जाती हैं. Now what we will do, we will divide 3CD by 3C. We get D, so we multiply this D with 1 and we get D. Now again subtraction sign. Now for this we divide 3CD over 3D. Again we get C. So we multiply this C by 1 and here we get C. So this is your answer. You may note it down. And after solving this, I'm going to remove this. Now in this question, part D of question number 1, again first we need to find the LCM. Now well, K is common in both, so यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे K. 3 और 8 इन दोनों को हम साइड पर लिखकर इसका LCM फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 3 ones are 3 and 8 is here. Then you can use prime factorization. So LCM is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So we get LCM as 24. 3 by 2 by 2 by 2 is equal to 24. So here we get 24. एक दूसरा मेथड जिससे आप LCM को कर सकते हैं वो ये है कि अगर 3 और 8 ये दोनों एक ही नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं होते, they both are entirely different and not factors or multiples of each other, तो फिर आप 3 को 8 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे and you get 24. Now this is our, so again we find the LCM in the same way. We divide 3x minus 3y, this thing, with this x minus 3y. So it cancels out, we get 3. We multiply this 3 with 4a. So we get 12a. And here, because they both are same, LCM and the denominator of the second fraction, so when we divide them we get 1. So we multiply 1 with 3a. So here we get 12a plus 3a divided by 3 into x minus 3y. So here we get 15a over 3 into x minus 3y. Now 3 5s are is 15. So this is our answer, 5a over x minus 3y. So you may write it down, 5a over x minus 3y. This is our answer. Now we move on to our next question. This is part F of question number 1. So here we have the F part of our question number 1. Again, Z is common in all of the fractions, so Z will come in the LCM. And then 2, 6 and 3, we will take its LCM, 2, 3 and 6. 2 1s are, 3 as it is, 2 3s are. So we get 2 times 3, which is 6. So 6 is the LCM, it comes here. Now we divide 6z by 2z and we get 2 3s are. So we multiply this 3 with p plus 3. Now plus 6z divided by 6z is 1. So we get 1 over here and we multiply it with p minus 1. Then negative sign. 3. Now we divide 6z by 3z. We get 2 over here. So we multiply 2 by 2p plus 1. Now I erase this rough work, scrap work, so that you can see it in a neat manner. Alright, so next we are going to open the brackets. Here we get 3p plus 3 3s are 9 plus 1 multiplied with this bracket gives us p minus 1. Then there is a negative sign, तो आप alert हो जाइए कि इसने अंदर जाकर सारे signs को change करना है. Here we have plus, so plus minus minus, right? 2 2s are 4 and p. Then plus minus minus and 2 1s are 2 divided by 6z. Now 3p plus p minus 4p इनको हम एक साथ लिख लेते हैं and 9 minus 1 minus 2. Positive 9 minus 1 minus 2 will come here and in the denominator we have 6z. Now 3p plus p, when there is no number written with p, it means इसके साथ 1 है. 3 plus 1 is 4. हम इसको अच्छे तरीके से ज़रा करते हैं. So here we get 4p minus 4p plus 9 minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, 9 minus 1 and minus 2 gives us minus 3 over 6z. So here we get 4p cancels out with 4p because इनके same value है but their sign is different. So 4p minus 4p is 0. So इनको मैंने cancel out कर दिया. 9 minus 3 is 6 and here we get 6z. 6 cancels out with 6 and we get 1 over z. So this is our answer. So here we have solved the question number 1 of 6b.